I can only record in 15-minute increments, so that's why you're seeing a sequence of videos. Anyway, as I was saying, it's important your freshman year to start doing and engaging in the job shadowing and start to have conversations with people in the field so that you do your own research, but you also have personal advice, networking opportunities, etc., to help distinguish yourself. And some of the ways you can do that is personally through people you know, through professional outreach to certain professionals in the field to inquire about certain job shadowing or internship opportunities. And then there's also Handshake here, which is what I refer to as the Facebook of internships and career opportunities. Mine looks different because I haven't gone through to answer these questions, but once you access this page, you'll have to fill this stuff out where you want to be. And then it's going to give you a database of different opportunities that are available. And what's great about Handshake is that any of the opportunities you look through there are associated with alumni or former students or teachers, professionals that are associated with Wingate. And so they're really invested in trying to work with Wingate students. So think of it as your personal internship and career opportunity hub, if you will. And there's a common misconception that you can't do an internship until your senior year or your junior year or that summer. You can. It's what you mostly see with students or incoming students is first you do more of the job shadowing, but you can do some basic level internships. There are organizations who will have you do some administrative stuff and allow you to have some hands-on kinesthetic experience, but also shadow and be able to have those conversations with people in the field. This is a way you can do that. Go through here and start searching. It would be excellent if not only you created your resume and you've done most of your basic research on several different careers, but to this summer actually go and get started in this process. Start doing an internship, start having those conversations, and Handshake is a way that you can do that. It's just an extra resource that you can use. So with that being said, hopefully those resources help you. Hopefully that helps you put your career and your major in perspective. When you go to advising, it's really important to have the career conversation as well. And if you find you're not getting enough mentoring about your career and what you need to do, I would go to the Office of Career Services because they are specially trained professionals to help you do all of this extra work. And all of this is what it takes to secure a job. I've told you all several times, I believe in it wholeheartedly because I've seen it. Just being credentialed and earning a degree is not going to secure you a job. It's just not. You have to have this resume fleshed out. You have to have some type of experience, real world experience. That's what employers are looking for. That's what graduate schools are looking for. So don't operate under the misconception that you get your degree, you're going to get a job and get the lifestyle you want. It won't happen like that. So I behoove everyone to start doing some of this. It's only going to help you. This is an investment that is costing you thousands of dollars, depending on your situation. Debt usually is one of the direct consequences of choosing to go to college. Debt racks up. If you take loans out, you're going to have to pay them eventually. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time or your money. Make sure you're on the right path for what you want to do and that you're making a smart investment. It's all about return on investment in the end. You want to have the lifestyle you want and you want to be able to pay your bills. You want to be able to have a car that you want to drive. And you can't do that unless you have a job in most cases. So hopefully this all helps you. There's going to be a few other videos, a resume video that I want you all to watch. And so as you're watching that video, it would be a great idea to go ahead and pull out a sheet of paper and draft a resume. And you can always go and pull a template from Word or somewhere else to input that information. But as you're watching, you can start writing things down and get a head start on creating that resume. Actually, you're going to have to do that. That's the assignment. I want to see a copy of your resume after you watch that video. And remember, there's ways that you can make it work even if you don't have experience. So just make sure that you're thinking that through. There's also another video with another person's take on is college and the investment thereof appropriate for everyone? What are the questions you really need to ask about your major and the job you want to go into? And it gives you some step-by-step instructions and detailed questions you can ask yourself. So I want you to watch both of those videos as well as these, and then submit me a copy of your resume. As I mentioned, I will be out next week. We'll have a guest speaker come in, so make sure you come to class. And then the following week will be our last class meeting. We'll talk about academics, registration. We'll make sure you're all prepared for your advising appointments. If you have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to Nicole. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help. And be on the lookout for midterm grades on Friday. Take care.